So, good evening. First of all, tell me your introduction.
Yes, very good evening to you. My name is Sapna Raghuvanshi and I'm from Jaunpur, UP, and by profession I'm private school teacher and I'm also mother of one kid. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I'm holding BA degree. I'm also running YouTube channel for learning English communication. That's all. You just tell me about yourself.
Thanks, thanks. Oh, also, you are a YouTuber.
Yes,
Little bit.
recently.
Okay. Nice, nice. And many conversation, many people and many students are making a conversation video. And I used to make a video, but right now I don't make video. Okay. And myself, Prince Kumar Ojha, and I am belong from Bihar, Gopalganj district, and nearest my very popular area, Kushinagar district, and I have completed B.Ed secondary running and fire and safety diploma. I have completed fire and industrial safety diploma, and as well as right now I am preparing and practicing only, no preparing English, because I want to become a blogger, English blogger in the English field. So that's why I'm right now I am practicing, and as well as I am a safety trainer. I work in the safety field, and right now I am in the Faridabad and Delhi, and as well as that's all.
That's wonderful. So you want to become uh, an English blogger. Am I
English
right?
blogger, yes, most important, and many student are making a video. So I thought I won't upload this kind of video, and I will upload another kind of video. Okay.
Yes,
And
you are
as well
right.
as I visit any state for a job purpose. So I have a more time and I can make a blogs. Okay. As well as I am thinking about it. So first of all, tell me how to speak English very well and nice. And in this particular series, I want to talk to you in this topic. Okay. And first of all, it's my aim, because right now I am practicing, and I don't able to I amn't able to understand I am making I am speaking English very well or not. So can you tell me how to speak English and how to communication skill improve, and as well as how to talk to people, and tell me, because every student and every people, whoever a student are learning this language. So every uh, there are many uh, hesitate in their mind.
Yes, hesitation, you are right. And this is the thing, the hesitation, shyness. And this is the thing that always stop all the learners and beginners to speak English. Do you know,
Yes, yes.
I also wanted to speak English since my childhood. But that time I was completely unable to speak because I was not getting any English environment at my surrounding, in my school, because I have done all my schooling and college from Hindi medium background. And that time we were also not having this type of smartphone, and we were not able to use social media, and that's why unaware about all these things. And nowadays if we want to learn anything, so we can learn easily by the help of social media. Nowadays I'm utilizing social media in productive way, and I'm learning English communication, and also I have improved a lot in English. Do you know, only few months back when I started my journey, so that time I was completely unable to speak English like this as I'm speaking right now. So, for speaking English, what I realized, first of all, we need to have confidence in ourselves. And sometimes, as you mentioned about hesitation, so this is the thing, hesitation, and we all Indians are having. Means, if
Yes,
we
yes.
are not getting any English environment in our surrounding, of course, we are not getting, and that's why we are having only lots of hesitation inside us or whenever it come to speak English. So this type of person I was also in my initial day childhood means. But yes, whenever I heard anyone is speaking English confidently and fluently, so I was thinking like, oh my god, how people are speaking like this, and for me it's impossible to speak like this. But yes, when I realized and when I got motivation by watching many more housewife on this YouTube platform, there are many of
Yes.
housewife and also means homemaker, and also there are many villagers means who are living in proper village, and they are not getting any English environment, and means they are living in proper village and they are speaking English in such a fantastic way. So I also got motivation like, if they people can speak, so why can't me? And only just because of this feeling I also started working on it. And when we didn't do anything for our goals, so definitely how can we achieve? But yes, if we do something, so we can expect to achieve something. So as
Yes, yes.
I started doing something for my English speaking. So nowadays also I'm getting good response, and also I can say good appreciation from others. Like, yes, you are doing great. So this is the thing. So in the same way, first of all, we should try to remove and cast this type of feeling, hesitation, signage, lack of confidence from ourselves. Only then we can speak English.
Because I have been trying almost for 2 years.
But you are speaking very good, because when you were giving your introduction, I realized like your way of speaking is very good, and in future you want to
Okay, in
become.
this way, I want to make a video. Okay, and
Yes,
also right now I am in the Delhi, so I am thinking about this. But definitely, I will make a video after 5 and 6 and 10 day. Okay, now I will get a leave from my company, so then I will visit. Okay, and almostly it's my target. Uh, I will talk to foreigners. Mostly I talk to foreigners, and then I will think uh, I am able to speak English better than better than foreigners are not. Okay, okay, it's very not difficult but difficult. English is right now it's most important. Okay, but English, when you will learn uh, through from any institute one by one, basic to advanced, then you will speak very fluently. Okay, and I catch it from advanced level, so that's why I wasn't able to speak fluently. Okay, and
i I
I
got to
will
know you.
start speaking.
You want to speak like advanced English just like foreigner.
Yes,
Do you know, means mostly the foreigners are using slang. And yes, if you want to talk to foreigners to enhance your English speaking, so this is quite amazing thought. And in this way, you will also get to know about different accent. If you want, you can also learn, but I personally never prefer to learn any accent, because we should try to be happy in our Indian accent. But yes, the thing which we should try to focus, and the thing is pronunciation. Sometimes
yes, Pranav.
you know, that till this age I realized like, yes, I have been mispronouncing many words, mispronouncing. So yeah, day by day means by learning English, by speaking English, and by talking to many more people, what I realized like, yes, I'm learning uh, pronunciation also, because there are many words which we mispronounced.
Need to
uh,
pronounce. Yes,
these are
I
try
use it
to.
to use only wrong.
Yes, and you know that I'm not feeling any shame to reveal these things. Means since my childhood, I have been pronouncing like flower, flower.
Yes, yes,
FLOW,
flower, flower,
flower. We are pronouncing. So it's the correct pronunciation is flowers, flowers,
flowers.
not flower. And do you know, like bowl, bowl? So I was pronouncing it bowl. Bowl
Bowl,
means
yes.
so like this. So but yes, whenever I get to know anything from anyone, so I am feeling so much happy, and I always try to incorporate those things. It's not pronunciation, it's a pronunciation. Some are
Prana.
pronouncing pronunciation like this. So this type of, we
Yes,
should try
yes.
to focus on pronunciation. This is the crucial thing to speak fluent English, and to be a attractive and good English speaker. We should try to focus on
Thanks, thanks.
pronunciation. Some of, you know, there are many of the famous personality in English. You must be knowing about all of them. Ranveer Elhavadia. I Ranveer Elhabadia and Alina Rai. So they are also speaking in Indian accent, but yes, what they are so much famous, and they are just only focusing on
Almost
pronunciation, not on
and
accent.
many famous Jadoo Kisku.
Jadoo, Jadoo is a viral. I talked 2 times to Jadoo.
but
He is also mispronouncing some word, and he was also telling like some people are interrupting me, you are mispronouncing word, your pronunciation is not correct. So but yes, the thing is, he is so much confident, and he is speaking English confidently and without any environment, just by himself he created environment. So this is the incredible things in him.
only with mobile
Yes, so
phone.
in the way we all can learn and speak.
A very famous boy.
So tell me
Okay,
about yourself. Means what are you doing nowadays for your speaking?
nowadays I work in night shift, and almostly I will go 6 o'clock in the company. Okay, and right now I am practicing, and as well as just after 10 and 12 15 minutes I will take a class. Okay, only English. Mardarshak Guruji. Okay, Mardarshak Guruji, he the best trainer for English. Okay, so right now I am taking. Okay, okay,
Okay,
thanks, nice to meet you, talk to you. Okay,